On July 16, 1969. In 1969, 3 men walked on the moon. But what happened in the moments before that historic step? The world held its breath. 2 superpowers raced across the globe, one with nukes, the other with dreams. The moon became the final frontier. A president's words ignited a fire. "We choose to go to the moon," a challenge etched in history. Engineers, scientists, and dreamers answered the call. The 1960s were a storm of change, civil rights, war, and a hunger for progress. Yet millions watched the same TV screen, eyes on the stars. Paper and metal became the tools of destiny. Every bolt, every wire, every calculation mattered. Failure was not an option. Television became a window to history. Families gathered, children stared wide-eyed. The moon was no longer a myth. Kennedy's speech in 1961 set the goal. "Before this decade is out, we will land a man on the moon." His vision became a mission. The clock ticked down. Tension coiled in the air, a moment that would define an era. The world held its breath. Flames roared as the Saturn V ignited. A tower of fire, a storm of sound. The rocket screamed into the sky. Armstrong's hands trembled, not from fear, but the weight of the moment. "The Eagle has landed," a voice that echoed across the cosmos. Across the United States, millions watched. Cheers erupted as the rocket rose, a triumph of human will. The spacecraft danced in orbit, a fragile bubble of life against the void. Every second counted toward the greatest journey. Dust settled. Footprints marked history. The moon, once a distant dream, now bore the mark of Earth. The mission's echoes live on. Technology, medicine, and engineering all bear its fingerprints. From GPS to cancer research, the Apollo program's spin-offs transformed daily life. Kids today gaze at the moon, unaware of the history beneath their feet. Their dreams may one day walk on Mars. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humanity to the moon, a direct descendant of 1969's courage. Decades later, the world still honors that day. Statues, documentaries, and books keep the story alive. The moon is just the beginning. What lies beyond? The legacy of Apollo 11 will light the way. Explore the full story and let us know what moment changed your world.